List of zeros in Python. How can I create a list which contains only zeros? I want to be able to create a zeros list for each int in range 10. For example, if the int in the range was 4, I will get. And for 7.
If you prefer to put it in the function, just drop in that code and add return list of zeros, which would look like this. Sample output. You should use 0 int to generate a list with n zeros. CY is faster than list. There is a gotcha though, both tools.repeat and 0 n will create lists whose elements refer to same id. This is not a problem with immutable objects like integers or strings, but if you try to create list of mutable objects like a list of lists n, then all the elements will refer to the same object. 0 n will create the list immediately, while repeat can be used to create the list lazily when it is first accessed. If you're dealing with really large amount of data and your problem doesn't need variable length of list or multiple data types within the list, it is better to use NumPy arrays. NumPy arrays will also consume less memory.
The easiest way to create a list where all values are the same is multiplying a one-element list by n. So for your loop,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.